Hi, hello everybody. Welcome to Vikas Commerce Tutorials and I am Mr. Vikas Midke here. So ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಒಂದು 6-7 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 100% ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳೇ ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸುವಂತಹ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದು ತಲುಪ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ವೈ ಲೇಟ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್. Okay students, let us discuss the multiple choice questions and match the following questions and fill in the blanks questions of second PUC economics. So here we have 5 model question papers. So coming to first model question paper, we will go with multiple choice questions. So we'll solve these answers, and these answers of these 5 question papers are enough. Also we'll bring 2023 annual question paper, and that is also enough to prepare for your annual examination, which is of tomorrow. Is it clear? So coming to first question on your screen of multiple choice question, that is the scarce resources of an economy have. The scarce resources of an economy have. Here we have 4 options: competing usages, B unlimited usages, C single usages, and D none of the above. So here the correct option is, what they're asking is about scarce resources. Scarce resources in the sense which are very minimum available. There is a minimum availability of these resources in the economy. So such resources are called as competing resources, competing usages. Is it clear? Okay, coming to next, the equation of budget line is. The equation of budget line is, here there are options of px plus p1x is equal to m. There are some 4 abbreviations, some 4 equations which are given here. So the correct option for budget line is, it should be option C. Is it clear? Option C is the correct answer for of budget line, and these questions are going to repeat in next coming questions also. So please keep an eye on this type of questions. Okay, coming to question number 3. Question number 3 is speaking about capitalist economy, capitalist country production activities which are mainly carried out by, in a particular, see there are 3 types of economy: socialist economy, capitalist economy, and mixed economy. And we live in a country of India which is of mixed economy. So now they are asking one of activities which are carried out by capitalist economy. So a particular activity which is carried out by capitalist economy, production activities are mainly carried by. So social economies is considered with society, with government. Mixed economy, government as well as private people. But capitalist economy consists of private enterprises. So the correct answer here is private enterprises. Is it clear? Next, coming to 4th, they have given an equation of net national product. So NNP, that is net national product, equals to GNP, gross national product, minus, the correct answer should be depreciation. So depreciation here is the correct answer. Is it clear? Coming to next multiple choice question, that is last question. Value of MPC lies between, MPC value lies always between 0 and 1. The correct option is B, 0 and 1. Okay, next we'll go to fill in the blanks. There are 5 questions of fill in the blanks, and there are given 6 answers. One answer will be wrong here. So coming to question number 6, in the long run, all inputs are, whenever there is a long run market, whenever there is a long run, the variables, the inputs are always variables. So here the correct answer is variables. Is it clear? Next, the point of minimum AVC, average variable cost, where the SMC curves cut the AVC curve, is called as AVC, where the SM curve cut the AVC curve, is called as. See, there is a question asking point, correct? It should be, the answer should be in point. Here we have 2 point. One is of shutdown point and another one is of minimum point. So here the correct answer will be shutdown point. If ABC and where the SMC curves cut ABC curves, at that point the firm should be shut down and it is called as shutdown point, closure point. Next, coming to question number 8. Question number 8, dash are defined at a particular point of time. Dash are defined at a particular point of time. So the correct answer here is stock. Here the correct answer should be stock. Stocks are defined at a particular point of time. And coming to 9th question, it is very simple and easiest question. M1 and M2 are known as, see, M stands for money. So M1 and M2, there are two types. One is broad money, another one is narrow money. M1 and M2 are narrow money, whereas M3 and M4 are broad money. So here M1 and M2 is going to be narrow money. So the correct option is narrow money. Now we have only two options left. One is revenue receipt, one is minimum point. So minimum point is not suitable for any of the answers. So here question number 10, that is revenue deficit equals to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. Expenditure, opposite word. We study this in commerce also. And whoever are art students, you can also guess this. So revenue expenditure is always deducted from revenue receipts. So correct option is revenue receipts. Now coming to match the following. This is a very repetitive question, very mostly asked questions. Service of a teacher. Service of a teacher is always related with skill. When they are speaking about service of teacher is to be gone to skill, because whatever we teach, now I am teaching, I should possess a skill in order to teach the concepts. Is it clear? Next, coming to question number 12, market equilibrium. Equilibrium in the sense equal. So choose an option or search an item which is telling equal. So I have only one option here which is telling equal, that is QD equals to QS. That is quantity demanded is equals to quantity supplied. Is it clear? Next, coming to AR. AR equals to, that is average revenue equals to, they are asking the formula for average revenue. See, now when they are asking a formula, there should be a formula type of answer. So the only single answer which matches here is total revenue divided by quantity. Average, whenever the question is of average, the total should be divided by number of units or number of quantity. So that is option D. Next, coming to repurchase agreement. Repurchase agreement is nothing but called as repo. Repo is nothing but the full form of repo is itself is repurchase agreement. There is also a point called reverse repo. So here they are speaking about repo. Next, coming to balance of trade. See, trade. So answer will be trade of goods. Very simple. Balance of trade, trade of goods. So your correct answer is trade in goods. Is it clear? Okay, this was about the first question paper. 1 mark questions, we will be seeing it later. We will bring some of the important questions and we will solve this later. Is it clear? Now coming to question paper 2. I will come to model question paper 2 here. Yes, here we have. So which of the following is an example of a microeconomic study? Microeconomic study. See, national income, foreign trade, unemployment, these all are studied in your part 2, that is macroeconomics. Your economics syllabus is divided into two categories. One is of microeconomics and another one is of macroeconomics. So microeconomics is which one among these following options? The other three, that is national income, unemployment, foreign trade, comes under macro. So the correct answer here is consumer behavior, because in microeconomics you have a second chapter which is called as theory of consumer behavior. So answer is here itself. So the second chapter, that is consumer behavior, comes under microeconomic study. Okay, coming to next question, question number 2, the vertical demand curve. What they are speaking here? They are speaking about vertical demand curve. So vertical demand curve is on your demand and supply graph, the vertical line which comes, that stands for what? Is it perfectly elastic or is it perfectly inelastic or unitary elastic or none of the above? So here the correct answer is it is perfectly inelastic. Vertical line shows perfectly inelastic, horizontal line shows perfectly elastic. Okay. Next, question number 3. In 1936, British economist J.M. Keynes published the celebrated book. They are asking a book which was published by J.M. Keynes. So here the correct answer is again B, that is General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money. Students, you might observe one thing here. All first 3 questions have answers of B. First question is also same answer B, second question is also B, and third question answer is also B. Okay, coming to next question number 4. The value of GDP at the current prevailing price is, the value of GDP at current prevailing price is nominal GDP. So here the correct answer should be nominal GDP. Next, coming to question number 5. Easy availability of credit encourages. Whenever we are getting easy amount of credits, whenever the credits are easily obtained to us, it encourages, it motivates us to go for more number of investment. So here again the correct answer is option B. So out of all 5 questions, 4 questions are having the answers of option B. Is it clear? Okay. Coming to fill in the blanks category, again some of the questions will be repetitive here. Marginal product and average product curves are dash in shape. Here only one answer is given here, inverse U shaped. So the shape inverse U shaped, very simple. Even if you have not read also, you can still answer these questions. Dash is a tax. See, now need not go further and read the question. Dash is a tax. Here there is only one tax, that is unit tax. So unit tax is a tax that government imposes per unit sale of output. Is it clear? Okay, next question number 8. I will come to question number 8. Dash is a stock available. So stock is nothing but, say, one thing here you should observe is whoever are commerce students, you can identify this easily because stock is also called as inventory. Sometimes we call stock as inventory. So dash is a stock variable, inventory is a stock variable. You can easily identify the questions here. Okay. Okay, coming to question number 9. Economic exchanges without the uses of money. They are not using any money, and such exchange is called as, without any exchange of money, we called it as barter system. There was a system in ancient times which is called as barter system. There was no any exchange of money. You should take one item and you should give one item. Give and take policy was there. Next, coming to question number 10, that is last. Financial year runs from, they are asking about a year. So here it only one option speaks about it, that is 1st April to 31st March. Even some of the commerce students, if you are commerce students, you can also identify this because our financial year starts from 1st April to 31st of March. Okay, coming to next question, that is match the following questions. Match the following positive economics. What does positive economics says? There are 5 options here. Broad money, paper gold, functioning of mechanism, TR minus TC, operation of invisible hand, constant returns to scale. So here the correct option is of 11, that is functioning mechanism. So positive economics is always related with functioning of mechanism. Now question number 12, that is Adam Smith. Adam Smith comes under which of the following options? Here the question is of Adam Smith, that is question number 12. He comes under operational of invisible hand. Now they are asking a particular formula, that is sigma or total, what summation you call it as, that is TR minus TC. And just now in last question paper I had told you M1 and M2 are called as narrow money, whereas M3 and M4 are called as broad money. Is it clear? And next, the last question, that is question number 15, SDR comes under paper gold. Is it clear? So these are the 5 correct answers. Next, we will go to question number, model question paper 3. Okay, here we have model question paper 3. So coming to multiple choice questions. Central problems of an economy includes, this is a 4 marks questions. Explain central problems of economy. So please do study these questions. Okay, central problems of an economy includes what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. So the answer is all of the above. It includes all these problems. Whenever the question is for 4 marks, you can write all these 3 points also. Is it clear? Okay, coming to next, the consumption of the consumption bundles that are available to the consumer depend on, whatever consumption bundles are there, those depends upon price and income. Price and income. Coming to question number 3, the year of greatest depression. The year of greatest depression was 1929. 1929. Next, question number 4, by deducting undistributed profit from national income. By deducting undistributed profit from national income, what do we get? We get personal income. Is it clear? Next, coming to question number 5. Question number 5 speaks about in the situation of excess demand. Whenever there is excess demand, demand is less than the level of output. Demand is more than supply is less, supply is more. So here the correct option should be option B again. That is, demand is more than the level of output. Is it clear? Next, coming to multiple choice. Sorry, fill in the blanks questions. Fill in the blanks questions are again very easy. Dash is a set of all possible combinations of the two inputs that yield the same. See, here the answer is very simple. They are asking about same, and same speaks about isoquant. Isoquant is nothing but same number of same. So meaning for same is nothing but isoquant. So same, that is isoquant. Question number 6. Coming to next question, question number 7. Dash cost. Dash cost is nothing but opportunity cost. There is only one type of cost which is given in the brackets, that is opportunity cost. Next, question number 8. Pollution is an example of, pollution is nothing but a negative externalities. There is a 4-mark question included here. Any 4 negative or explain the negative externalities. You should explain about these negative externalities. Okay. Next, question number 9. Dash is the only institute which issues the currencies in India. That is RBI. RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, is the only institute that will issue the currencies. Coming to question number 10. Taxes imposed on goods imported and exported out of India are called as custom duties. Custom duties are the taxes which are imposed on goods which are imported. Whatever goods you import from another country, on such goods you need to pay custom duties. Is it clear? Okay, coming to match the following questions. Market economy. What is market economy related with? Question number 11. That is, market economy is related with attraction of, just a minute. It is related with, okay, it is related with attraction of new firms. Possibility of supernormal profit. When do you have a possibility of supernormal profit? We have a possibility of supernormal profit when the change in total revenue divided by change in quantity. When this is applied, we can get supernormal profit. Marginal revenue, that is MR. MR equals to, question number, just a minute. Question number 12. Actually, MR is related with question number 13 is related with A, that is change in total revenue divided by change in quantity demanded. So 12, that is possibility of supernormal profit. When you have supernormal profit, that is question number 12. Here the answer should be attraction of new firms. I will start it once again. Market economy is considered with private. Possibility of supernormal profit, attraction of new firms, that is 12. Marginal revenue is equals to change in total revenue divided by change in quantity. Circulation of coin. Who does the coin? See, currencies are issued by RBI, but coins are issued by Government of India. And last one, managed floating is called as dirty floating. Another word for managed floating is nothing but dirty floating. Okay, coming to next question, that is model question paper 4. We will come to model question paper. My dear students, if you study these questions, it's more than enough. Coming to question number 1, which of the following is an example of microeconomic study? We have already solved this in one question paper, that is consumer behavior, chapter number 2, theory of consumer behavior. Next, equation of budget line. We have also studied this, option C. Okay, P1 x1 plus P2 x2 equals to M. This is a budget line. Next, coming to question number 3. All the laborers who are ready to work will find employment, and all the factories will be working at their full capacity. This school of thought is known as, a classical thought. So here the correct answer should be classical thought. Coming to question number 4, the banks which are part of money creating system. See, the banks which are part of money creating system are nothing but commercial banks. Here the correct answer is commercial banks. Some of them mark RBI, some of them mark bankers, but the actual answer is commercial banks. Next, value of MPC. See, value of MPC we have already solved in one question paper. It is always lies between 0 and 1. Always the value of MPC is between 0 and 1. Okay, coming to fill in the blanks categories. Fill in the blanks. SMC curve, cut the ABC curve at the dash point. Again, we have also studied these question in the last questions. Here the correct answer is minimum point of ABC curve. So the correct answer is 6. minimum point of ABC curve. Dash cost. So there is only one cost here, that is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost of some activity is gain foregone from second best activity. Next, in labor market, dash are the suppliers of labors. Households are the suppliers of labors. Coming to question number 9, the government may spend an amount equal to the revenue it collects. This is known as, government will spend an amount which is equal. So here they are speaking about equal. So equal comes under balanced budget. Is it clear? Next, coming to last question, dash account records. Only there is one account, that is capital account. Very simple question. Coming to match the following category, demand curve. Now demand curve will match for which of the following options here? Demand curve matches for downward slope. Always there is a downward slope in demand. Marginal revenue, just now we had studied about this. So marginal revenue, that is question number 12, suits for last option, that is change in total revenue divided by change in quantity. SLR, they are asking the full form of SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. GDP, gross domestic product. Aggregate demand for final goods. Aggregate demand for final goods, that is question number 15, stands for option B. Is it clear? Okay, this is model question paper 4. So we will next come to annual exam question paper 2023. So 2023 annual exam question paper, which is last year's question paper. Here there are some multiple choice questions. Utility is objective, subjective, both A and B, none of the above. So here the correct answer should be subjective. The change in output per unit of change in input is called, that is question number 2. The change in output per unit of change in input is called as marginal product, MP. Next, coming to question number 3, a market structure which produces heterogeneous and homogeneous. There are two concepts. Heterogeneous, homogeneous are nothing but of same features. Heterogeneous are of different features. The market structure which produces heterogeneous product is called as monopolistic competition. So here the correct answer is monopolistic. Coming to question number 4, the individuals or institutions which take economic decisions are called as economic agents. The question number 4, the answer is they are called as economic agents. Next, coming to 5, the study of national income. Now you should understand the point here. National income, there is a chapter in your syllabus, national income accounting, and that national income accounting is learned in macroeconomics. That is learned in second part of your syllabus, that is macroeconomics. Is it clear? Okay. Coming to next, in 2023, that is last year, we had 10 multiple choice questions. So here we can observe 10 multiple choice questions. The main function of money. Why is see, there is a 6 marks question under this question, that is explain the functions of money. How does it overcome the limitations of barter system? So this question should be studied compulsory and very, very important question. So here the main function of money is nothing but a medium of exchange. Why do we use money? We use money for exchanging our instruments, of exchanging our items or goods. Easy availability of credit encouraged. We have already studied this question. Whenever there is easily available of finance or available of credit, it encourages, it motivates to do the investments. Next, coming to question number 8, duties levied on goods produced within the country. The duties which are levied on the goods which are produced within the country are called as excise duties. Custom duties are nothing but which are imported. It is imposed on the goods imported within the country. We go for excise duties. Coming to question number 9, in this standard all currencies were defined in terms of gold. So the answer is gold standard. Is it clear? Coming to last multiple choice question, that is the balance of payments record these transactions between residents and with the rest of the world. So here the correct answer is all of the above, because each and everything, goods, services, assets are all recorded in balance of payments. Coming to fill in the blanks questions, the revenue received by the firm per unit of commodity sold is called as, they are speaking about revenue. So revenue, we have only one option, that is average revenue. Dash goods are nothing but final goods. Final goods will not pass through any more stages of the production. Next, question number 13, dash is the only institute which can issue currency. The country which can issue currency, the institute which can issue currency is nothing but RBI. RBI is the only institution which can issue the currency in India. Savings is the part of income that is, see, which amount do you call as savings? Which is consumed or which is not consumed? Which is not consumed. Okay, coming to next question, that is last. Financial year runs from, again this was already a repeated question, it runs from 1st of April of every year and ends with 31st of March. Coming to match the following, this is very simple and important. Service of teacher goes with skill. Normal profit is called as zero profit. Market equilibrium, we have equal to symbols. Quantity of demanded equals to quantity supply. Balance of trade is nothing but trade in goods. Managed floating is considered as dirty floating. So these are the multiple choice questions. So friends, we have solved 5 question papers, and according to me these 5 question papers are enough for multiple choice, fill in the blanks and match the following. If you study this much, 100% I can guarantee you will get more than 10 marks under this section. Sometimes you still get 15 out of 15, and there are some questions which are coming under match the following, fill in the blanks of 4 and 8 marks, where you will study those questions, and that questions may sometime appear here. So I have sent all these PDFs in my Telegram group. Whoever have not joined the Telegram group, there is a link available in the description. Please do join our Telegram group. Okay, I will end my video session here. If you feel this video was helpful to someone else, please do share to them, and also please like our video because it is free of cost. Okay, thank you for watching Vikas Commerce Tutorials. See you all again.